Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about Amazon Connect, a business application service offered by Amazon Web Services. We'll talk about the key features, benefits, and use cases of Amazon Connect. Let's get started. Amazon Connect is a self-service omnichannel cloud contact center service that makes it easy for any business to deliver better customer service. Amazon Connect offers self-service graphical interface that makes it easy for non-technical users to design contact flows, manage agents, and track performance metrics. It enables you to set up a cloud contact center in just a few clicks and onboard agents to help customers right away. Let's talk about benefits of Amazon Connect. Amazon Connect offers the following benefits for your organization: high agent productivity with generative AI, performance improvement, seamless omnichannel experience, and cost-effective. Let's explain each of these benefits of Amazon Connect. High agent productivity with generative AI. Amazon Connect empowers contact center agents to deliver superior customer experiences from day one. With Amazon Q, a generative AI-powered assistant available in Amazon Connect, customer issues are automatically detected, and agents are provided contextual customer information and suggested responses and actions for faster resolution, all within the unified workspace. In addition, you can guide your agents to resolve customer issues quickly and accurately by automatically recommending appropriate actions to take with step-by-step guides. Performance improvement. Using AI-powered analytics and optimization capabilities, supervisors and managers can proactively detect and address issues with their customer experience, agent performance, and contact center operations. Supervisors and managers gain instant access to real-time insights from customer interactions, easily identify needs for agent coaching, forecast contact volume to optimize staffing, and make the best use of their agents to continuously improve customer satisfaction, reduce costs, and optimize contact center operations. Seamless omnichannel experience. Amazon Connect empowers you to deliver personalized, efficient, and proactive experiences across the customers of the channels prefer. With AI-powered chatbots, you can deliver natural and intuitive self-service experiences in multiple languages that save time and effort of the customers. Amazon Connect also helps you proactively engage customers at a scale with relevant information like appointment reminders in their preferred channel. Cost-effective. You can reduce costs and improve your contact center metrics with CCaaS Leader and Amazon Connect. You can achieve 60% reduction in call volume and 50% reduction in agent training time. Now let's talk about use cases for Amazon Connect. Amazon Connect supports the following use cases, which cover the need of a broad spectrum of customers: accelerate CX innovation at a lower cost, agent productivity and empowerment, and analytics, insights, and optimization. Let's elaborate each of these use cases for Amazon Connect. Accelerate CX innovation at a lower cost. Transform your customer experience, that is CX, at a scale with Amazon Connect, which is AI-powered contact center of AWS. Agent productivity and empowerment. Empower agents with a generative AI-powered unified workspace to deliver great customer outcomes from day one. Analytics, insights, and optimization. Monitor and improve your contact center performance with real-time artificial intelligence. In conclusion, transform your customer experience at a scale with Amazon Connect. That's all for Amazon Connect. Thank you and see you in the next lesson. Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to talk about Amazon Simple Email Service, Amazon ACS, a business application service offered by Amazon Web Services. We'll talk about key features, benefits, use cases, as well as how Amazon ACS works in a typical application environment. Let's get started. Amazon Simple Email Service, Amazon ACS, is a cost-effective, flexible, and scalable email service that enables developers to send email from within any application. You can configure Amazon ACS quickly to support several email use cases, including transactional, marketing, or mass email communications. The Amazon ACS flexible IP deployment and email authentication options help drive higher deliverability and protect sender reputation. While sending, analytics measure the impact of each email. With Amazon ACS, you can send emails securely, globally, and at a scale. Let's talk about benefits of Amazon Simple Email Service, Amazon ACS. Amazon Simple Email Service, Amazon ACS, offers the following benefits for your organization: efficient email campaigns, high reachability, cost-effective, and satisfy compliance. Let's elaborate each of these benefits of Amazon ACS. Efficient email campaigns. You can deliver high-volume email campaigns with the service that sends hundreds of billions of emails per year. High reachability. You can reach inboxes of more customers as a trusted sender with the tools of email deliverability and IP management. Cost-effective. You can improve your bottom line with transparent pricing designed for bulk email. Satisfy compliance. You can stay compliant from day one with HIPAA eligible and FedRAMP certified, GDPR certified, and ISO certified options. Now let's talk about use cases for Amazon Simple Email Service, Amazon ACS. Amazon Simple Email Service, Amazon ACS, supports the following use cases, which cover the need of a broad spectrum of customers. Automate transactional messages, deliver marketing emails globally, send timely notifications to customers, and send bulk email communications. Let's explain each of these use cases for Amazon ACS. Automate transactional messages. Keep your customers up to date by sending automated emails such as purchase or shipping notifications, order status updates, and policy change notices. Deliver marketing emails globally. Tell customers around the world about products and services through newsletters, special offers, and engaging content. Send timely notifications to customers. Send customers timely notifications about their interaction with your products and services, including daily reminders, weekly usage reports, and newsletters. Send bulk email communications. Deliver messages, including notifications and announcements, to large groups and track results using configuration sets. Excellent. Now let's see how Amazon Simple Email Service, Amazon ACS, works in a typical application environment. You no longer need an on-premises Simple Mail Transfer Protocol (SMTP) mail server. Amazon Simple Email Service, Amazon ACS, lets you reach customers confidently using the Amazon ACS API or SMTP interface. The diagram is created by Amazon Web Services. It shows the key features of Amazon ACS and integrations with other AWS services. We recommend you read the diagram and get a better understanding about how Amazon ACS works in an application environment. In conclusion, use Amazon Simple Email Service and get reliable, scalable email to communicate with customers around the world at the lowest industry prices. Integrate Amazon ACS into any application for high-volume email automation. That's all about Amazon Simple Email Service, Amazon ACS. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.